Once upon a midnight dreary, in a spooky forest far and wide, lived a ghost named Nearly Headless Nick, who longed for a friend to guide. With a body ghostly white and a translucent ghostly form, Nick had a peculiar problem, one that was quite the norm. "I've been a ghost for centuries," he'd often say with a sigh. "But I've never found a friend, and I'm always about to die." For you see, poor Nick had lost his head, but only nearly so. And that meant he could never partake in ghostly events below. One day, as Nick was wandering through the mist and the fog, he came across a young girl named Lucy, lost and feeling bog. "Help me, please," she cried out, "I'm lost in this eerie place. I've wandered for hours, and I can't find my way back." Nick, with a smile on his ghostly face, said, "Don't you worry, my dear. I'll help you find your way home, and we'll be friends, I swear." With a gleam in his eye, he led her through the forest so grand, guiding her back to her home, in a land where the living stand. As they reached her door, with a tear in her eye, she said, "Thank you, Nearly Headless Nick, for helping me instead." "It was my pleasure," said Nick, "to help someone in need. And I think I've found something that I've never found indeed. A friend, someone who sees past my ghostly form, and who thinks I'm as valuable as anyone born." From that day on, Nick was never alone. He had a friend in Lucy, who called him her very own. And together they'd roam through the night, chasing the moon's soft glow, laughing and playing, making memories, as friends often do. So remember this story when you feel scared or alone. For even if you're nearly headless, you're never really gone. There's always a friend waiting to help you find your way. And together you'll conquer the fears of the night, come what may.